Welcome to Strasbourg, a city located in the northeastern part of France. This city is known for its stunning beauty, rich history, and unique blend of French and German cultures. From its stunning medieval architecture to its picturesque canals, Strasbourg is a true gem in the heart of Europe. Whether you're a history buff, a culture lover, or simply looking for a relaxing holiday, Strasbourg is the perfect destination for you. So sit back, relax, and let's explore all that this magnificent city has to offer. Strasbourg is a city located in northeastern France and is known for its stunning beauty, rich history, and unique blend of French and German cultures. The city has a rich history that dates back to the Roman era, and its stunning medieval architecture, including the famous Notre-Dame Cathedral, is a testament to its past. One of the most unique features of Strasbourg is its blend of French and German cultures, which can be seen in its architecture, cuisine, and language. The city has a vibrant cultural scene, with a range of museums, theaters, and other cultural attractions, including the Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art, the National Theatre of Strasbourg, and the Palais de Rohan. Strasbourg is also known for its picturesque canals, which run through the city and provide a beautiful backdrop for a relaxing stroll. The Petite France quarter, located along the canals, is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the city and is known for its charming buildings, restaurants, and shops. For those who prefer the outdoors, Strasbourg has a number of beautiful parks and gardens, including the Parc de l'Orangerie, which is one of the largest parks in the city. The Botanical Garden of Strasbourg is also a popular destination, offering a range of exotic plants and beautiful landscapes. Strasbourg is a city full of beauty, history, and culture. Whether you're a history buff, culture lover, or simply looking for a relaxing holiday, Strasbourg has something to offer for everyone. And that concludes our tour of the beautiful city of Strasbourg. From its rich history and unique cultural blend to its picturesque canals and stunning parks, this city truly has something for everyone. We hope that our journey has given you a taste of all Strasbourg has to offer and inspired you to plan your own trip to this magnificent city. Until next time, au revoir from Strasbourg.